Hey everyone, my name is Subhadip Ghosh and I'm a mechanical engineering graduate. Although I'm a mechanical engineer, I have always wanted to learn and explore more about data science and artificial intelligence. So I first felt this way when my friend bought Alexa. And he was too excited to learn how a device can recognize languages, human languages, and then respond accordingly. This is the first time I became too excited about artificial intelligence, and I decided to pursue this fantastic field, and I joined AlmaBetter after that. So it has been an amazing journey. AlmaBetter provides the most robust curriculum when it comes to a risk-free approach because of the pay after placement option that they provide. Also, the placement guarantee is a very valuable addition to the entire package that they provide. In addition to the exceptional faculties and the exceptional styles that they provide education, and moreover, the quality of the study material and lectures is remarkable. AlmaBetter placement drive was a one-of-a-kind experience. There was a communication training in collaboration with ATA, which boosted my communication skills. So there are a lot of mock interviews that are also being conducted by the team, which boosted my confidence and provided me the resources to be prepared for the actual interview. So another unique element was the resume building session, where the industry professionals helped me to build the perfect resume according to the industry standards. There are several other reasons why AlmaBetter stands out from the crowd. When providing data science training, the one-on-one mentorship sessions is one of them, where we had conversations with industry level experts. So which definitely boosts the confidence and cleared all the doubts that I had. I also worked on numerous number of capstone projects with like-minded folks, with my teammates, which was a blissful experience. Moreover, the data science lab is another fun element which lets us play with data. It helps us understand the math behind challenging data science concepts. My only advice would be to work hard and to have patience, because I believe that good things take time. And if you are willing to put your heart and soul into your dream of becoming a data scientist with the correct guidance and the course materials that AlmaBetter provides, it will be extremely easy to get into this field.